Welcome back to Tire Talk. Today we're diving deep into one of the most luxurious and powerful full-size SUVs hitting the market, the 2026 GMC Yukon Denali. This model has long been known for combining commanding presence with premium refinement, and for 2026 GMC takes it a step further with updated styling, new technology, and even more impressive performance features. Let's break down everything you need to know about this beast, from its exterior design to the plush interior, its performance capability, and of course, pricing details. When you first look at the 2026 Yukon Denali, the exterior makes a statement that this SUV is built for both luxury and dominance on the road. The design now carries sharper, bolder lines with a front grille that's larger and more sculpted than ever before. The signature Denali chrome touches are still present, but this time they're more refined, blending seamlessly with the sleek LED lighting setup. The headlights are slimmer, with GMC's signature C-shaped LED daytime running lights that give the front a futuristic and aggressive stance. The rear design follows suit with bold LED taillights and a refreshed bumper design that adds to the premium yet rugged appearance. Large alloy wheels, ranging from 20 to 24 inches depending on trim and package, further elevate its road presence. From every angle, the 2026 Yukon Denali manages to look both elegant and powerful, striking the perfect balance for luxury SUV buyers. Moving inside, the Yukon Denali is a showcase of craftsmanship and technology. GMC has designed this cabin to rival high-end luxury SUVs, with premium materials everywhere you look. Expect authentic wood accents, brushed aluminum, and full-grain leather seating that's both ventilated and heated. The interior is extremely spacious, comfortably accommodating up to 8 passengers depending on the seating configuration. The Denali trim also offers best-in-class legroom for both the second and third rows, making long journeys far more comfortable than many competitors. One of the highlights is the massive curved OLED display, measuring over 16 inches, which integrates seamlessly into the dashboard. This screen controls the infotainment system, navigation, and multimedia, while a secondary digital cluster sits directly behind the steering wheel for driver information. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are wireless and standard, while GMC's latest Google built-in system provides enhanced voice commands and real-time updates. Technology also extends to comfort features such as a premium Bose performance audio system with surround sound, ambient lighting, and a panoramic sunroof that floods the cabin with natural light. Rear passengers aren't left behind either, as they can enjoy dual entertainment screens, multiple USB-C charging ports, and tri-zone automatic climate control. The attention to detail inside the Yukon Denali makes it feel closer to a luxury lounge on wheels rather than a traditional SUV. Performance is another area where the 2026 Yukon Denali shines. Under the hood, buyers can expect multiple powertrain options, starting with a 6.2-liter V8 engine delivering around 420 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque. GMC also offers an advanced 3.0-liter Duramax turbo diesel option for those who value efficiency and towing power, providing excellent torque for heavy-duty tasks. For 2026, GMC is introducing a hybrid-assisted powertrain as well, blending performance with improved fuel economy, a smart move given the industry's push toward electrification. The Yukon Denali comes with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and both two-wheel and four-wheel drive configurations are available. Air Ride adaptive suspension ensures a smooth ride by automatically adjusting to road conditions, and Magnetic Ride Control offers precise handling even on rough terrain. With a towing capacity that can reach up to 8,000 pounds depending on configuration, the Yukon Denali proves it's not just about luxury, but also about capability. Safety is at the core of the Denali package, with GMC's latest suite of driver assistance features including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The Super Cruise system is also available, allowing hands-free driving on compatible highways, which adds convenience for long road trips. Now let's talk pricing. The 2026 GMC Yukon Denali doesn't come cheap, but it delivers on the promise of a premium full-size SUV. The base Denali trim starts around $80,000, while higher-end Denali Ultimate models equipped with all luxury features and the most powerful configurations can climb above $100,000. While it sits in the higher price range, the blend of comfort, technology, performance, and luxury more than justifies the cost for buyers looking for the ultimate family and adventure vehicle. In conclusion, the 2026 GMC Yukon Denali continues to set the benchmark for American luxury SUVs, combining bold styling, a first-class interior, and unmatched capability in its segment. Whether you want a vehicle for family comfort, long highway drives, or towing power, the Yukon Denali has everything covered with class and confidence. This is not just an SUV, it's a statement of power and prestige on the road.